This lasted all about 5 seconds in front of Hayley. She's just devoured it.
Can you blame me?
Day one, Turkey. We've just had a traditional Turkish breakfast.
It was literally the best breakfast we've ever had. And we can't even finish it. And it was like 20 Australian dollars with unlimited Turkish tea. It's so good. Literally in a food coma now, and I never have to eat again.
God damn. Hayley's ordering me to film all this Turkish delight. She's beside herself.
We went on a walking tour to see the landmarks of the famous ancient city Constantinople, including the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, the obelisk of Theodosius, taken from ancient Egypt in the 4th century AD, and the Sacred Palace. The Hagia Sophia was built in 537 AD. Originally built as a church, the enormous structure was converted into a mosque after the Ottomans finally took the city from the Romans in the 14th century. This is one of Turkey's most popular attractions, and the wait time to enter the building can take about 3 hours if you go at the wrong time of day. In our next video, we managed to see the interior, so make sure to subscribe to check that out. The whole complex is very impressive, with the massive Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia standing opposite each other and the beautiful park in between. This is definitely a must-see when you come to Istanbul.
Canada.
Kanada. Hoppa. Bizim köyün aşağısı. Aha. Come. Come. Come please. Come. Thank you. Merhaba buyurun. Aa yürü kafası yarıldı. Hoppa. Aha. Bu da bizden olsun, okay? You money? Hoppa. Hello. Meow.
Was that funny, babe? Was that so funny?
Hilarious. You may enter.
We're at a kebab joint, apparently the best in Istanbul or maybe even Turkey, but apparently Anthony Bourdain has given this a tick of approval, so we'll see how we go. Okay.
Is that a good okay?
I need a second. I need to just confirm. Okay. Okay. That's outrageous.
Which one is it?
Beef and lamb.
Beef and lamb.
That is so good. It's not too oily like a normal doner kebab, where it's just, yeah, it might be delicious, but it makes you feel like crap afterwards. It's just delicious. How's the chicken?
Pretty good.
Is there any left after that bite?
The chicken's like barbecue almost, so it's really good.
We also saw the famous Galata Tower, which stood on the opposite shore of Constantinople and formed part of the city's harbor defenses, where they ran a cast iron chain all the way across and pulled it tight to stop ships from entering.
Draco Malfoy in like episode 1 of Harry Potter? Horrific.
Haley's first taste of baklava.
Oh, it's crunchy. That's good sign.
Upside down, and then you bite into it. Is apparently
The way to get it.
the method. No. That's delicious.
We stumbled across the home stadium for Besiktas Football Club, beautifully located right next to Dolmabahce Palace. We absolutely love the city of Istanbul, especially the amazing food. Be sure to subscribe to see our next Istanbul video. Thanks for watching!